Silai patham Yaktun Khlaimongni huija koktuma mani Bishramganj naga point Malkhung bisingo rutukmung khlaiyi Romkha Khoroksa Bishramganj thanani osi Ojit Deborma Silai patham Yaktunni huija koktuma mani lai thangjak Swrangchati diporjarabo TR031393 number ni Agartalani Udipur thanai bus Malkhung Bishramganj naga point sokpaikino police rok kashlaikha Aboni agulo Bishramganj thanani osi Ojit Debormani teifangbai bus Malkhung bisingo rutukmung khlaika police ni thani puilao huija koktuma sokpaijak tongmani bus Malkhungo kabui Dipankar Sen umor beshi thamchitham bufanimung Nipendra Sen Dipankar Sen bini kamiyangkha Amtoli Uttor Moddopara Amchiyo bo bus Malkhung Silai pathabro Yaktun khlainai hinai huija koktuma manmani Bishramganj thanani police o koktuma manma yagulo Bishramganj naka point bus Malkhungno kasowui romi laikha Dipankar Sen no koktuma saimankha puilao Dipankar Sen ni bumugui Modupur tei Amtoli thanabo mamla tongo Dipankar Sen no rommani yagulo bus Malkhungo rutukmung khlaika Bishramganj thanani police Fiaba bus Malkhungo kajak koboni passenger rokno mungsapano jongjal ongyatui koboni Malkhung bai thangpainani Shaka Bishramganj thanani police aboni yagulo bus Malkhungni tikhlaiyi Dipankar Sen no romitu bulaikha thanabo Bishramganj thanani police
তো তারা স্বর্ণমূল্য গাড়ি আটকাইছে আটকানো পরে তারপরে গাড়ি তল্লাশি একজন লোক পাইছে আমরা গাড়ি তল্লাশি করতেছে বিশ্বন্ত থানা সামনে এবার আমি ড্রাইভার আমার নাম হিরো গাজী
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norogni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nobadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasani fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki sutui cough test khlairni bagai namasak sep sap tongo tei test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abo simia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai ni specialist doctor ok phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarok no phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarok ni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok seb manani musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015 and from this humble beginning over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG, and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Romkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai ni specialist Dr. Khlaio treatment Khaipayo, Kubuni Hospital of Silai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaiman Nani Bagay, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Khlaimano, Hambai.